Imagine transforming your website into a dynamic AI knowledge base without writing a single line of code. This video will reveal how AI can revolutionize your site, enhancing research capabilities and customer support. AI-powered search and chatbots can turn your website into a powerful tool for research and customer support. Discover the benefits of integrating these technologies seamlessly into your existing platform. Step 1. Efficiently extract website content using tools like Beautiful Soup and Selenium. This is the foundation for creating an AI-ready knowledge base. Step 2. Convert extracted text into AI-ready vector embeddings with OpenAI. This step ensures your data is structured for AI processing. Steps 3 and 4. Implement LLM-powered Qlik for enhanced search capabilities and build a no-code AI chatbot using LangChain or FastAPI. Step 5. Automate updates to keep your AI knowledge base fresh and accurate, ensuring your site remains a reliable resource. Explore how businesses leverage AI knowledge bases for customer support and automation. See AI-powered chatbots and search engines in action, showcasing their scalability and efficiency. Recap the 5-step process to turn websites into AI knowledge bases. Emphasize the ease and efficiency of this transformation, and encourage viewers to start their AI journey by discussing potential projects in the comments.